The Center for Applied and Computational Mathematics at the Rochester Institute of Technology fosters the idea that mathematical modeling and computation are indispensable tools for the discovery and application of scientific knowledge. Having a Center for Applied Math is RIT's way of planting a stake in the ground and saying we are going to invest in people who use mathematical modeling and computer simulations to solve real-world problems for the benefit of society.
The two goals at RIT are to produce students that can excel in the workforce and in their jobs in the future, and to produce research that's relevant and that's connected and it's going to make a real impact in the world.
We're hiring more and more mathematicians with the bent toward solving practical problems, and we're getting more and more collaborations with firms that are interested in using math to solve their problems.
RIT is deeply rooted in the industrial history of Rochester, New York. Applied mathematicians from RIT have collaborated with partners at Eastman Kodak, Xerox, Bausch & Lomb, Raytheon, Microsoft, Merck, and many more.
We fill the research gap in what's needed. People are using the commercial algorithms and software, things that have been used for years, and we find the ways to make them better, new innovative methods that can improve on what people are doing.
A number of faculty here who I've known since my days at Kodak have come from industry. So as opposed to other universities, RIT has that strong track record of fostering faculty that work on real industrial applied problems.
I'm working right with the engineers, the physicists, the computer scientists, the imaging scientists, all in the same building, in the same location. It's a very unique thing about RIT, where the groups aren't separate, we're all working together.
We try as much as possible to disregard distinctions among departments. I try to regard myself as a practical applied scientist, not just a mathematician. I think that's what it means to be an applied mathematician.
I study cardiac electrophysiology and arrhythmias. Studying cardiac arrhythmias is actually highly interdisciplinary. Biology and physiology are important components, but it also incorporates aspects of computer science, engineering, physics, and many other disciplines. So here at RIT, we definitely try to recruit students and faculty from a range of disciplines to study these problems in a way that allows us to further our understanding more effectively.
Our students benefit by seeing how mathematics is used to address real-world problems. They've studied and worked on projects in mathematical biology, condensed matter, remote sensing, nonlinear dynamics, and more.
We involve a lot of undergraduate students in research from a fairly early time. And I think that this gives them more time to experience what research is like and to make more progress in research.
I went to see the actual experimental procedures that the data I'm working with is derived from. So that was really exciting. Departure from the classroom examples. It's really cool to get my hands dirty as an undergrad and see the application. The
problems that we work on aren't applied math problems that were put together by somebody 10 years ago. They are things that somebody 10 minutes ago realized that they can't solve. When the earthquake in Haiti occurred, the World Bank contacted the Center for Imaging Science at RIT, and within a week, RIT was flying their airplane in Haiti collecting data. I helped write the software that would locate the blue tarps and indicators of where the displaced people were to help the rescue workers identify the locations they need to get get the water and the equipment to the people who needed it the most.
RIT as a university is centered on solving problems that matter to society. These are the problems that are important to industry and to training the next generation of mathematicians and scientists.
What I'm doing at RIT and what I'm going to be doing is really going to help my career because it's a unique opportunity. It'll help a lot with showing people that I have what it takes to actually do what I say I can do.
I've come to a place where there's a broad base of people that have many skills. So as I advance my career, I'd like to be able to harness that base of other faculty to build up as many collaborations as possible and to give as many opportunities for research to students as possible.
We see a way to improve something that nobody's thought of before because we have the mathematical tools together with the data and the information and the goals of the people working on the applied stuff.